Graph the function f of x equals x minus 2 quantity squared plus 1. Okay, so this is a quadratic function, and we know this because we have an x squared. And then we need to figure out the transformation. It is in vertex form. So we have an x minus 2 here, which means right 2. And then we have a plus 1, which means up 1. And those are the transformations from f of x equals x squared. And f of x equals x squared has a vertex at 0, 0. So that means the vertex of this function is going to be right 2 from 0 and up 1 from 0, in other words, right there. So there are no other transformations. There's no stretch or shrink horizontal vertically, no reflection. So now we're just going to finish graphing the parabola. And from the vertex point, we'll go right 1 and then up 1. And then we'll go right 2 and up 4 because that's 2 squared. And then we can go right 3 and then up 9. 3, 6, 9. So that's the pattern with a parabola. You just follow the pattern of the perfect squares. So from the vertex, you go right 1 up 1, and then you just continue on with the pattern, right 2 up 4, right 3 up 9. And there's the a value, or the stretch value, is 1, which means you don't multiply that. But if there were a vertical stretch or shrink, you would multiply the vertical change by whatever value that was. Now I'm just going to reflect through the axis of symmetry, which is right here, this vertical line through the vertex. Okay, now we have all the points we need to graph the parabola. Okay, so that's how you graph that quadratic function in vertex form by hand.